Well, hopefully the take-home message from my lecture was that we can simplify our everyday practice with predictable results, and that we don't have to do always some fancy surgeries to achieve exceptional aesthetical results. Okay, so my name is Darko Bozic. I'm a professor at the dental school in Zagreb. I'm head of the Department of Periodontology and head of the clinic of periodontology. So I've just finished my lecture talking about collagenous matrices for soft tissue augmentation around implants. Well, it is important because we know that soft tissue and proper soft tissue or soft tissue phenotype around implants is important for peri-implant health. So the idea is also to decrease the morbidity of the patients, to avoid harvesting grafts from the palate. So we're looking at modalities and ways how to do this, and I think that the collagenous matrices is definitely one of the ways how we can avoid harvesting and increasing morbidity for our patients. Well, hopefully the take-home message from my lecture was that we can simplify our everyday practice with predictable results, and that we don't have to do always some fancy surgeries to achieve exceptional aesthetical results. Actually, to be honest, the less we touch and the less invasive we are, the aesthetical outcomes are much better. Yeah, this is the first time I've been here, so I'm impressed how big the meeting is. I'm impressed how many exhibitors there are around here. So it is really something new for me and interesting. Yeah. So I mean, we had the COVID in the last 4 years ago, and everything went online. But I think that the personal touch and the personal experience and exchange of information firsthand is much more important and much more beneficial than being in front of a screen, a TV screen or a computer screen and listening to something. Yeah, this personal touch for me is something that is much more important than what you can get online. Well, thank you for the invitation once again, and I would say that I highly recommend this meeting as a to-go place, because there's a good buzz here, a lot of people, a lot of exhibitions, a lot of exhibitors, exceptionally good lectures, and it would be a pity to miss this event. So hopefully everybody, or many, will come next year.